Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, western Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Plainfield, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Romeoville, Plainfield, Oswego, Yorkville, Morris, Shanahan, Minooka, Wilmington, Coal City, Crest Hill, Shorewood, Diamond, Elwood, Preston Heights, Fairmont, Rockdale, Crystal Lawns, Carbon Hill, Platteville, and Simerton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado